Open the 360Proxy's official website. Click the Sign Up button. Then use our email address to register and set a password. After registration, return to the home page of the official website and enter the login page for login. Click Get Proxy and select User Pass Auth to access the account password authentication interface. Now 360Proxy offers two packages, and they both operate with the same process. You can choose different package types according to your needs and account plans. You can filter according to the country you need. Click the icon to modify the password. Here you can choose the number of IPs to be extracted and the format of the account password. After clicking Generate, select an into copy. Now, open the browser and create a new profile to set up an proxy. Then, click the Proxy button and choose Your Proxy. Choose SOCKS 5 in the connection type. Paste the address you just copied in Quick Add. Click the Check Proxy button. We can check the proxy is working or not. After checking, the proxy can be used.